forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Yeah, my people, tell us we're on the way, and we're carrying on the way, you know. Reach a money again now, the place named Faith Spend. I know, so I don't know what I'm talking about, you know. Faith Spend, we stop and get the fish, the fried fish or whatever, with breadfruit or ackee and saltfish in the morning, and all them something. People remember them shop here? I can't tell you, since Jamaican people them put up highway and all the people them hardly a corona side, and I saw the place look from that people. That's something here. Face pen, we are talking about the original face pen. When I come from country, I come from town, and don't stop yourself. Forget a piece of fish. Look at the road and see if you see a man call me. See him there? See him on the road there? You think him nice? See him there? I saw the thing set up in a face pen people we know about, but quite a few left around at the place here. So you know what thing go. We are passed through and making the know what I go and say I saw face pen stay right now because of the new highway that we have right now going to the north coast. So that's something I go. You know. You know them something, so we are got you. Yo, bro, God. So I met them know so 1 and 2 man still there. You can still pass through and support the team because that we know from time originally before the team set up there.
Shop 11 open.
Yeah.
And shop 16, shop 17.
Yeah.
And shop 28 open, man.
All them shop they open.
Yeah, man, all them shop they open, man.
Do you want them to do the things here originally?
Yeah, man, we see that do the things
here. Oh, boy, yeah, say, man. Yeah, that's the same something where they go on.
What?
Oh, what you say? So the fuel come around here, them still do the same thing?
Yeah, man.
Then know them are going like...
People that come through CMM, man. We just want more people to come through CMM, man.
That's what me now?
Yeah.
Watch it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. I really think that, man. So that's how we think set up, brother. So we cannot go through and I make the people know what to go on.
Yeah, man. What they are saying, man. I shop 7 million, man. Full Jamaica Island, man.
Man, that's on prayers, man.
Yeah, man.
See the people?
Yeah.
I am that him there, so see him here. No left here. One of the road round here, see him here. So, we are giving him respect there and I'm not drop it.
Yeah.
And your business, man. Do what you have to do, man.
Bless yourself, man.
Give thanks to life. Yes, sir?
Yeah, man.
Man, I've done prayers.
Guys, I remember coming to Jamaica back in the day, and anytime you come up here, you don't stop and you don't come and not stop in Faith's Pen and buy some food or something. And I remember every single one of these shops were full. But look there now, people, only a few of them are left open. So guys, it'd be really good if you're around here, come and stop and support them, because there are a few there's a few people, should I say, still there cooking and operating the business. So
and where they move is because of the new highway that built.
The highway,
So most people taking the highway and not coming back, not driving on the old road again, too tough. But people still come around and support them.
That's right.
So we're making know so them still there, people.
That's right.
Foundation them still there.
That's right.
Faith Spend, you say.
Yeah, so if you're passing, give them a little, give them a support.
Yeah, man, I come to side man, the pass and give them a link, cause I saw the thing got me peeps. And I done prayers. You know, saying you are to reach. When you come from you left off a flex pen, you come down Mount Trust and you reach a Yuatan. You never remember that place up on the right hand side of the spot. You never pass the sun and get one bread. Yeah, the bread shop here, Crystal Bakery. People coming from town, going to town, we no pass that sun and get a bread, people. Right, that's something. I don't remember that place, you know. In a Yuatan. Famous bakery. Crystal Bakery. Well, Yuatan look nice, you know, and I put them things together. As you can see, we go through. Because we are here on the way doing, you know. You know what thing go? Yes, now Yuatan right there go through the place. Nice, beautiful. The police station up on the left hand side, right, so. And all them something everybody know about Yuatan. Right, that's over there. Yeah. See it there.
So what's up to Yuatan? Where do you arrive?
After Yuatan reach Nalin Street, but we're not going to University, we are taking the bypass.
Okay.
And then we go back walk and go straight. In a Spanish town. You know what thing go? But we're carrying along people, you know what thing go? Yeah, around the way I swing go. You know when you left from Yuatan, you come to Lane Street. You know, you reach right there so. That's that vehicle you go turn, you go in a Lane Street town. So we're not going there so. Most of them remember that turn here, you know. Yes, me tell me can go around him and go about the business. And all them something there. Yes, so that turn they go in a little sit down. So you know, so when you pass a little turn, you come right to the train line. Down. Everybody remember that train line. That train line where you go over, everybody go over that something from you go from. You come from country, you go to town.
One number here, the oyster jackfruit, right?
Jackfruit City. The jackfruit the people. See that? I saw that place I see when you come on to this fruit. Jackfruit and apple, not from that place. Yes, so we always remember that train line there. Yes, can't wrong with that. I can't know with you, man. Them little spot to remember. Man, that's on prayers. Yeah, my people. See, you know, when you left Linstead, that turn off if you go to Linstead, we bypass and reach a back walk down. Yeah. Right, so the back walk roundabout. Yes. Right, that's over there. Back walk roundabout. Yes, so we all know this place here. So we are carrying over there, we're going to know what to go on. We left the roundabout and go around the sun now. So the man has helped Bellan on the side there. So we left the roundabout and go up on the left there so now. And the fruits people, then we stop and get a really good thing. We always do. Fruits people right on the front there, so. Yeah, crazy fruit. You get a bag of cane, you get a dozen ripe banana, and 2 jelly. Carry they go back to town, and all these things. So that's something there. See it there? Right, that's why we have a little police point now from where they're gone. Call them so.
so.
And get a little check on and now and then, you know?
Yeah.
Yes, and look if they find something. That's all the things set up. But the bag walk there. Right on the bridge there, I go cross the bridge, you know. Not flat bridge, you know. So you know, right there, so. Yes, remember that, so, yes. So we are going around the garage now, but you know what thing go. Alright. We're going to keep straight right up. We're supposed to go up to the roundabout right now, but we're not go up to the roundabout. Across the train line, you know. Yeah, I know this train line.
Even if the people in Spanish Town, to be funny to use it all day.
Spanish Town? Yes, we're in Spanish Town. Just cross over that train line right here. First train line across. Coming to Spanish Town. So we're not go up to the roundabout. We go down there. We go down on the whole road because we go all over. Yeah, so we're going to just make a right turn over, so. Go down on Job Lane. Go across Job Lane. Go across John's Road. And go down on Featherbed Lane. End up back on Olaba Road. Head to Olaba. Beautiful. Welcome to Olaba. Yeah, anything good, man. Got travel down, peeps. Yeah, man, this is Olaba ring. So, you know, that's something to go.
Guys, we are approaching, or we are in Salt River in Clarendon. And you see crocodile alert, so there are crocodiles in this water. But can you see like all the nice yachts?
Few yachts over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, the security yachts in the middle there.
You can see through the bushes. Okay, so yes guys, we're in Salt River, the mineral baths in Clarendon. So we're going to show you what's going on, take you along with us. Yeah.
I will tell you about something, I don't.
Yeah.
I wish the man has on prayers, but we never drop it. Those people are trying to swap it.
Yeah, alright, soon come. Place where you can come and get fish, fried fish and any kind of fish and festival, and this is the outdoor cooking style, outdoor setting. Yeah, we'll just show you. Nice little vibe. The people here eating and enjoying. Yeah, fish frying. Nice fish. Yeah. That's it tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah. People in the water. Enjoying. You going in the water?
But you're not going to step in there.
You're going to step in?
Yeah, no matter which part you touch it, you touch it, you good enough. Yeah,
I'm not sure if I'm going to go. Maybe I'll wet my foot. Maybe I'll wet my foot. Yeah. People out enjoying themselves now that curfew's kind of lifted and yeah.
So what thing they go? Got the live there.
Yeah.
That's it, baby. Make me feel like
and festival.
Can I sleep tonight? Sometimes I praise.
People, that was so good. Oh my gosh. You see my plate, right? See outlaw there? Yeah. Fish taste good. Outlaw said he would come back to Clarendon to Salt River just for the fish alone. It was that good. Yeah, man. Nice. Nice. So yes, people, as you would have seen, we stopped at Salt River and we've just left Salt River now, heading on our way to Maypen. But Salt River was nice. Salt River? Beautiful. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Nice vibe. Nice vibe. People enjoying themselves in the water, as you would have seen. And the fish, oh gosh, the fish tastes good. It was so good.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
People can't tell you a little spot and one going in the water. One woman just sit down right to that spot. That is where the water coming from the earth.
Guys,
I'm coming at the big thing. One woman just sit down. So for one straight hour, I have to move. So I can go wash my face and walk in and wash and wet up myself.
People.
The woman no move. I don't know people.
No, so people, he's not very happy because he found a little spot in the river that he wanted to go and, you know, wash his face and chill in. And that spot is where, what is it, where the water comes from?
Where the water comes from the earth.
So where the water comes from the earth. So it's just nice and clear and clean. And he wanted to go in there, but a lady was in there. She decided she's not moving from that spot, so he didn't get to go in. But next time. And furthermore, we didn't come prepared, you know, with really swimwear and everything, bathing suits and stuff. But guys, yeah, if you're in Clarendon, definitely check out Salt River. Yeah, it's a great place to go.
And if you're not in Clarendon, try to reach there.
Yes, definitely. Of course, at that we said towards Jamaica, we'll take you there if you want to go, of course. So guys, we're on our way to Maypen now, to my family place. So soon come.
Handle your business. Yeah, Maypen town. Ain't no clown.
Always such a busy place. Always a busy place. Yeah.
You don't Maypen.
And plus it's Saturday, so you know everybody's out doing their shopping and
yeah.
The place is well busy.
How many people are going to Maypen?
So for all my Clarendonians, my fellow Clarendonians, yes. Maypen Town Centre, we're here.
Maypen, no playpen. You clap the people.
Yes.
More time we say we now watch the people.
Yeah.
How you place this man? The whole place, eh? When your daddy say about this man say,
right, yeah.
Put up here, nothing like that. All these things.
Exactly. My dad could be watching this right now thinking, but isn't that such and such and
yes.
Look at ma such and such
yes. Hey, the master time that. Yeah, Mr. Bunny there.
Yeah.
And all them something there.
So dad,
somebody else is somebody.
This one is for you. My dad's hometown. Okay, yes people, we're still in Clarendon and we are where my family come from, my father's side of family come from. So you know, we're just going down the lane. Yeah. And we soon come to the place that I used to come to as a child. And like I said, where my father grew up. Yeah.
Yeah, as a child.
As a child.
So you had the pitney, you know, them brother from your pitney.
Well, no, well.
And your little or your lily. Yeah, something about that, something there.
Something like that.
Yeah. So for your lily, yeah, for your little bit, you're coming in place.
Yes.
Yes. Grow out some parts there, but they still a come back.
That's
and
right.
So nothing wrong with
That's
that.
It.
Yeah. We all have a piece of bush and everything. Bush mouth.
Yeah.
And all these things. You must say, go for my bush mouth today, you know.
Yeah.
Like you're a bush mouth, this, you know.
That's right.
Yeah.
Country same way.
Yeah, so you want 2 mango, we can get 2 mango from here. Yeah.
The big mango tree over there.
Yeah, so we got to this part back, so we get 2 mango from Sister Punsi over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, Sister Punsi. Yeah, them something.
So people, you know, so you have to take time with this road because as you can see the condition of the road, I don't know if you can really call it a road more than, I don't know what you call it.
A track.
A track.
Yeah, it's a track, yeah.
A track. So
we're going to do a track yet.
You have to take time. Oh, here we are. This is where I would come and visit when I was younger, and I would stay in this house directly in front here. As you can see, that's the house that my father grew in. It's been modified now, slightly changed. But that's the house that my father grew in. So let's go out and have a look around.
Maybe it's a good park.
Okay, yeah, so people, this house was where I used to come when I was a child. And it's my uncle's house, my grand-uncle's house, and this is where my father grew up. So guys, the house is a little bit different than it was when I was younger, but I'm going to tell you a quick story. I remember at the back of the house here, there used to be, when I used to stay when I was younger, there was no bathroom, inside bathroom, right? Outside bathroom, pit toilet. Remember the pit toilet then? Yes. I remember using the pit toilet, coming back to the house and being chased by one of the dogs. Like the dog didn't recognize me, and I ran all the way from here, ran straight into the house. I was so scared. But I never forget the pit toilet experience. I never forget that. Yes. So yeah, this is family roots right here. Yeah. Okay, over here, this house. So I remember when this house was being built. This is my grandma's house. I remember when this was being built, and when I was younger, and something I always remember as well, when the house was being built and they were laying like, is it the foundations or so? They killed a chicken and they squeezed the blood in the 4 corners of the house. I never forget that.
I thought you up with them.
Okay, so Outlaws telling you. Yeah, I remember they killed a chicken and they put the blood in the... I never forget it, because obviously coming from London, it's not something I'm used to, right? Yeah. Good, so now around the back I've got some cousins, around the back, and where's the lime tree? Is that the lime tree?
Right there.
This little one, that lime tree used to be massive. I don't know what's happened to it. It used to be huge. I remember picking lime off there. And you can see some of the graves of some of like my grand-aunts and stuff like that.
Ancestors
buried behind there.
You don't think our country?
I remember bathing outside, out here. You know, a little 3-piece of zinc I used to
man, I thought you used to stay one time. We try to move with the times.
Guys,
not can't move so fast, but just try to move with the times.
Guys, I don't have as much to show you as Outlaw does, because obviously I wasn't born here, but you know, the little childhood memories that I have of coming here and stuff like that.
Good to go.
Yeah. So this is my place, people, Clarendon.
These at home from to Lily.
Peace.
We just pick a mango while I go for the tree. Over next door. Dog nearly me fart, people. Nothing people can pick a mango from over the tree.
That tree there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Stringy.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.